Mabuhay! Welcome to Vista Hotel, ma'am. How may I assist you today?
Yejin Park room.
안녕하세요. Yes, we have a reservation for H Park. Is that correct, ma'am?
Aniyo, it's Yejin Park.
I see there's a slight problem with your name. Can you please confirm your email address, your full name, and also your contact number, ma'am?
Here.
I understand. I know you're difficult to speak English fluently. Let me call Miss Kate, our manager. She can speak Korean fluently. Just give me a few seconds. Good morning, ma'am. I need your assistance with our guest check-ins. We have Miss Park here, but there's a language barrier between us. Her reservation has incorrect name and she's having trouble providing her contact information. She speaks very little English. Could you please speak with her directly, ma'am?
Yes, Selby. Give Miss Park the phone and I'll speak to her in Korean.
Miss Park, Miss Kate will talk to you. Miss? Thank you, ma'am.
Selby,
Yes, ma'am.
listen carefully, okay? Miss Park full name is Hejin Park. Her phone number is 010-7976-8483 and her email is hejinpark@email.com. And she also requested a vegetarian meal.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, let me double check your info. Your name spelled as Hyejin and Park, pronounced as Yejin Park. And also your phone number is 100796783 and your email is yejin.park@gmail.com. Is that correct, ma'am? 네, 맞아요. Okay, ma'am, your room number is 402 and here's your key card. Thank you and enjoy your stay at our hotel. Miss Ira, can you please assist our guest to her room?
Okay, got it. 안녕하세요. Ma'am, this way. Follow me.
감사합니다.
You're welcome, ma'am. Enjoy your stay.